Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to scan Steam QR code to log in. So basically the first step is to simply download the Steam app on your phone, so you can find it on Google Play and App Store, which is completely free. And basically the first step is to simply download the app, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply open Steam on your computer and then simply click on add account. And as you can see, you're gonna have this QR code here. So basically what you can do, you can simply scan this QR code with your camera, and basically this will help you to log in. So you're gonna have to make sure that your Steam account is enabled on the Steam app on your phone, and then basically you can either use your camera or simply use the in-app scan feature from the Steam app to log in on your computer. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.